When the grocery stores go dark, a brutal reality sets in. Your freeze-dried emergency rations will only last a few weeks. But a traditional survival garden takes 90 days to produce a single tomato. This deadly waiting period is called the hunger gap, and it is exactly when most unprepared families will starve. The industrial system sells you expensive buckets of emergency food to bridge this gap, keeping you dependent on their factories. But the sovereign homesteader does not wait for a harvest. Nature has engineered specific, unkillable crops designed to go from seed to plate in a matter of weeks, not months. Today, we reveal the 7 fastest, unkillable survival crops that will feed your family before your pantry ever runs empty. This is how you beat the hunger clock. This is why I never buy emergency food rations, and why you shouldn't either. First is the ultimate emergency calorie, the French breakfast radish. Forget the spicy garnish you see in salads. In a survival scenario, this specific radish is a tactical asset. It goes from a dry seed to a fully edible, calorie-dense root in just 21 to 28 days. It thrives in poor, cold soil and is completely unkillable. While your neighbors are rationing their last bags of rice, you are pulling fresh, nutrient-packed food directly from the ground in under a month. Second is the rapid biomass generator, buckwheat. Most preppers ignore this powerhouse. Buckwheat isn't just a grain, it is a soil-repairing, fast-growing engine. It germinates in days and produces a massive harvest of protein-rich seeds in as little as 4 to 5 weeks. It actively smothers weeds, and the harvested seeds can be ground into high-energy flour. It is the fastest way to grow your own carbohydrates off-grid. Third is the instant green nutrition, mustard greens. Starvation isn't just a lack of calories, it is a lack of vitamins. Mustard greens are an aggressively fast, unkillable crop. They can be harvested in just 30 days. They are cold-hardy, and their sharp flavor is a natural deterrent to pests. You can cut the leaves, and the plant will immediately grow back, providing a relentless, cut-and-come-again food source. Fourth is the 30-day protein, bush beans. Traditional pole beans take months. Bush beans, however, are a compact, unkillable protein factory. They focus all their energy into rapid reproduction, delivering a heavy harvest of pods in under 50 days. They fix their own nitrogen, meaning they fertilize the soil while feeding your family. It is high-density protein on a violently fast timeline. Fifth is the underground carbohydrate, turnips. Specifically, the rapid-growing varieties like the Tokyo Cross. In 35 days, you have edible, vitamin-rich greens. In 50 days, you have a solid, starchy root that stores perfectly. Turnips are unkillable survivors that handle heavy frosts and neglect. They provide 2 completely different food sources from a single fast-growing seed, making them the ultimate efficiency crop. Sixth is the tactical micro-harvest, sunflower shoots. While a full sunflower takes months, a survivalist knows how to hack the system. You can harvest thick, crunchy, protein-packed shoots in just 10 to 12 days. It is an unkillable indoor survival trick, providing massive amounts of fresh enzymes and energy while your main crops are still growing. Finally, the fastest survival weed, purslane. While others try to eradicate it, the sovereign homesteader embraces it. Purslane grows incredibly fast in the absolute worst, drought-stricken soil. It contains more omega-3 fatty acids than some fish. It is an unkillable, ground-covering succulent, providing immediate, heart-protecting nutrition without you ever having to plant a single seed. Stop relying on buckets of expiring food to save you. The earth is ready to feed you right now, if you know what to plant. Once you master these fast-growing survival crops, you close the hunger gap forever. Which will you put in the ground today? Let me know in the comments below. We are the Soil Guardian. Subscribe for infinite sovereignty. Grow fast and stay in the light. Grow fast and stay in the light.